guys. Always be thankful for the life you have. Because we were driving back home from Ocean Basket, and there was a guy that was driving on the other side, and he was like going. He was on the road. We were here. This is us. This is him. So we were driving like this, and then all of a sudden he goes off of the road and comes back on. Then right here, so close to us, he literally goes off the road again, quickly comes back. My dad steps on the gas and drives faster. My dad said, look back, look back. I looked at the front because I couldn't hear what he said because I was a little tired. Then I looked back again. I saw the car when he came back on the road. When we had to look back, he rolled on his side of the car, and, I saw every part of the car, like the thingy on in the front of the car. I don't know what it's called, but it was like a part that came loose of the car, and then the one wheel of the car, it got off. Then I saw a ton of dust, and then I saw the car landing. It was so sad. Then we stopped and called for help and went back, and my dad helped. A ton of people came and climbed out of their cars and watched, and the car, the dude is okay, but it was so, I don't know if I should say it, but when my dad went and lifted the car like on it so it can go back to the normal like on four wheels, um the guy was under the car. Just skip this part if you don't want to hear too much like stuff, but I'm gonna say it now. So he was fine, but he was kind of like, he drank a lot of beer, so he wasn't